Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Plum Island Sea Cabin, and today I'm going to teach you some fun facts about scallops. Are you ready? Let's go! Scallops have eyes. They have up to 200 eyes, and they're all about the size of a poppy seed. And bay scallops have bright blue eyes. Crazy. Fact number 2, scallops can swim. Crazy, right? But it's true. Scallops use their large adductor muscle to clap their two shells together and propel forward. Scallop fact number 3. Scallops are marine bivalves, which means that their body is enclosed by two shells joined together by a hinge. Cool, right? Scallop fact number 4. There are 3 parts of a scallop that's edible. There's the frilly membrane, the roe, and the most common part, which is the adductor muscle, which is the part of the scallop everyone's familiar with. The reason why the adductor muscle in the scallop is way bigger than the clams, mussels, or oysters is because they use it constantly to swim. Scallops are like the bodybuilders of bivalves. So there's over 400 species of scallops in the world, but they're generally classified into 2 groups, sea scallops and bay scallops. Bay scallops are considerably smaller. Sea scallops are the honkers, and because I like extra, bonus fact. Sea scallops' #1 predator is the starfish. Though it looks cute and cuddly, beware, it'll get ya. So thanks for hanging out with me and learning about scallops, and I will see you next time we hit the beach.